Okay, so punta tayo dito sa design of spiral columns or circular column. So, tinawag siyang spiral column dahil yung reinforcement niya is in spiral na bali nakaloop yung ano niya na parang ganyan yung ano niya na. So pero kung meron kasing circular column pero yung arrangement niya nung ano is ganyan na may mga ganyang design na spiral siya pero yung arrangement nung reinforcement niya is naka-tied na. So under yun ang tied ha. So naka-base kasi yung pangalan dito tied is based yan sa arrangement ng reinforcement natin. Kaya tinawag ditong spiral, no? Kaya hindi niya ginamit yung word na circular, no? Kasi may circular na naka-tied yung arrangement ng reinforcement, meron ding spiral, no? Yung ganito, naka-looping, naka-spiral yung reinforcement. Kaya safe na i-term is yung spiral kasi dapat yung reinforcement must be in spiral, no? So, at least klaro ko lang. Okay, so anyway, so yung formula nila is the same. Yung nagbago lang talaga is yung data and then yung factor na nagbago. Yan lang yung nagbago. The rest, the same na. Kaya yung pagka-derive natin yung formula for the tied column is the same concept pa rin dito, no? Yung ginamit natin. So, I hope klaro yan. So, considering meron tayo dito, no? So, we have the diameter of our spiral column and then we have the core diameter, no? So, yung core diameter is just makikita mo naman dito, no? Yung gross diameter or yung buong diameter deducted by yung dalawang cover. Okay? So, mostly pag column is 40 yung minimum cover. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin minimum, so pwede kang lumampas doon, no? Lalo na sa construction, minsan mahirap yung yan eh. Kaya safe mo na lang na lakayan mo lang konti yung cover mo. Okay? Anyway, yung meron tayong area, cross-sectional area ng core or that is just pi over 4 ng diameter squared. So, bali, ito yung kino-compute mo. Yung buong ito. Yan na. So, yan yung kino-compute mo na area. And then, we have also the gross area. So, bali yung buong area. No? Kaya, kino-consider niya is yung ito. And then, we have also the area of the spiral bar. So, yung ito yan. Yung ito. So, yung looping na yan. No? Okay? So, cross-sectional area. Ayan. So, kung diameter nito is ds, so bali let's say 10 mm. So, it's just pi over 4 ng 10 mm squared. Okay? So, ganun lang yung area ng spiral bar. So, we have also minimum spiral ratio. So, this is also given in the code. So, it's just 0.45 ng area gross divided by ng area core. So, alam mo na yung area gross, no? Ito yan. And then, yung area core is ito yan. Okay? And then, alam natin lahat sila, yeah? The same yung pi over 4. So, pwede mong tanggalin na lang yung pi over 4 na yan. So, yung matitira is ito na lang. No? So, d over dc squared minus 1 ng fc prime all over yung fy. So, yung fc prime yun yung sa concrete. Ito naman yung sa lateral ties. Okay? Or sa min bar, no? Kung hindi siya given. So, we have also spacing of the spiral. So, yung spacing ng spiral is meron tayong 4ES times nung core diameter minus yung diameter nung spiral all over yung ito, minimum. So, yung PS dito is minimum or yung steel ratio niya. Pero, mas late naman din yung ginagamit natin yung minimum na yan. Nagkukumpute tayo. And then, diameter core. Okay? So, basta tandaan mo lang ito. Tandaan mo lang yan. And then, we have also the pitch. So, dapat yung pitch must be in between ng 25 tsaka 75. So, bawal siya less than ng 25. Bawal din siya greater than 25. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating pitch, yan yung clear. No? So, kung ito yung ano natin, for example, ito yung spiral natin. Ganyan. And then, say, ganyan, so ito yung pitch natin. For example, yan. Yan yung pitch. So, kung ito yung S, ito yung S, okay? Ito yung S clear. So, kaltasan mo lang yung nung DS divided by 2. And then, dito din sa kabila, kalahati yan sa kalahati niya. So, DS divided by 2. Kaya, S minus DS. S minus DS. Okay? So, kaya ganun. So, I hope klaro tayo dyan. So, yung spacing ng spiral is based yan dito sa in general talaga niya na formula, no? So, yung PS is the spiral ratio. Okay? So, it is defined as the volume of one loop of spiral divided by volume of concrete core for one loop of spiral. So, ganyan yung pag-define ng PS. So, actually sa definition niya, madiderive mo yung formula na ito. Okay? So, considering ito lang yung kunin mo. Ayan. Bali, considering yan, no? Kukunin lang natin ito. Ayan. So, bali ito na yan. So, let's say ito yung section natin. Ayan. And then, meron tayo dito ang min bar. And then, so, yung spacing dito is S. Okay. So, considering yan, okay, considering yan, so, meron kang ganitong area, no? Okay. So, since concrete core lang, so yung core lang na diameter yung concern natin, yan dito. Diyan banda. So, diameter ng core. Okay. So, bali yung kino-consider natin is yung dito. Na part. Okay. So, ito lang yung kunin natin. Ayan. So, kung kukunin natin yung volume nito, nung concrete core na yan, that is just pi over 4 diameter nung core squared times yung height niya na S. Okay? And then, yung volume ng one loop ng spiral, so kung ito yung ano natin, ito yung spiral. Ika lang. Okay, so yun yung spiral natin. So, let's say yung diameter nito is ganyan, ha? So, meron yung diameter. So, take note, parang ano yan, ha? Parang bakal na ganyan, ha? So, yung diameter niya is ds. Okay? So, kung gusto natin kunin yung ano niya, so, yung gitna nito, so, yung gitna dito. So, it just dc minus yung ds, no? Kasi dito, yung dito niya, gitna-gitna yan eh. So, ibig sabihin, yung dito is ds divided by 2, and saka dito ds divided by 2. And alam natin, ito is diameter nung concrete core. So, kung gusto mong kunin yung area niyan, yung volume nito, yung volume nung one loop spiral is just yung circumference, diba? Yung area nung bar times yung circumference niya, which is pi dc minus ds. Okay? So, ito yung magiging diameter niya ngayon. Ayan. Yung dc minus ds. So, pag i-combine mo yan, okay, so yung ps is just es pi dc minus ds all over pi over 4 dc squared s. So, therefore, meron kang cancel out. So, this is 4 es dc minus ds dc squared s. So, kaya meron tayong ganyang formula, no? Diba? Or kung kunin mo yung spacing dito, so, yung spacing mo is just 4es dc minus ds all over ps dc squared. So, magkamukha na. Yung ito tsaka ito. So, I hope klaro tayo dito sa formula nung spiral. Okay? So, anyway, sa spacing nung or yung pitch nung loop is ito lang man din yung kailangan natin. 25 tsaka 75. Na dapat hindi lang siya, dapat within lang siya dyan na range. So, okay. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.